The camera failed error on Android devices is a common problem that can interrupt your ability to capture important moments. Fortunately, this issue is often easy to fix with simple troubleshooting steps. This guide will help you resolve the error and get your camera working again. Start by restarting your phone. A quick restart can clear minor glitches in the camera app or system processes. If restarting doesn't help, check your phone's storage. The camera may fail to work if your device is running low on storage space. Delete unnecessary files, apps, or images to free up memory. Next, try clearing the camera app cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps or Application Manager. Locate the camera app and select Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files that might be causing the error. If the issue persists, ensure your software is up to date. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates under Software Update. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with the camera app, and installing the latest updates can fix bugs and enhance performance. Another potential fix is restarting your phone in safe mode. This disables third-party apps that might interfere with the camera. To activate safe mode, press and hold the power button until the power options appear, then press and hold the power off option until you see safe mode. Once in safe mode, try opening the camera. If it works, a third-party app is likely causing the problem, and you should uninstall recently installed apps to identify the culprit.
Sometimes, physical obstructions like dirt or debris on the camera lens can trigger the error. Clean the lens with a soft, dry cloth to ensure there are no obstructions affecting the camera's functionality. If these steps do not resolve the error, reset the camera app settings. Open the camera app, go to its settings, and select Reset Settings. This restores the app to its default configuration and can fix errors caused by incorrect settings. In rare cases, a hardware issue might be responsible. If you suspect this, contact your device manufacturer or visit an authorized service center for assistance. By following these steps, you can fix the camera failed error and restore your phone's ability to take photos and videos seamlessly.